What's happening, beautiful people? Sasrikal, namaste, salam. If you're watching for the very first time, welcome. My name is Aman. Today's Friday. TGIF, that doesn't mean you need to be asleep. You need to get up, get cracking, get working, end the day strong. That way you can have less things to worry about on the weekend and worry about the things you should be worrying about, which are going to happen next week. You understand what I'm saying? Hope you're catching on to that. It's really important because Friday for me, like I've said many times, I think I say this every Friday, but it's really important to reinforce this. It's my most productive day because everyone else is asleep. Like, I'm going to get so much shit done today, which leaves me on a weekend where I'm going to be partying with my boys, you know, in Whistler, and I'm not going to have any stress. Because I know for a fact that people go on vacations, you know, they're hurrying, getting stuff packed in for that last Friday when they could have spread it out over a few Fridays. They go on vacation thinking, yeah, it's great on vacation, but I got to come back to this dog pile of shit or whatever it is, and blah, blah, blah. They're stressing while on the vacation. I don't have that problem, man. I really don't, because I'm going to get my shit done. So I want you guys to do the same thing. It's going to be a busy day today. Really hectic. So like I said, I got to get a lot of stuff done before I head out tomorrow. I'm going to go to the bank shortly. There's some stuff I got to take care of. And yeah, man, looking forward to today. Today is a girls' sports day at school. I'm going to try to swing over there as well if I can. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to, but I'm going to really try hard. Fam, it's like 5 o'clock. Day turned out really nice, actually. It has stopped raining. Hope it's like this tomorrow because, you know, I'm heading out on the road to Whistler. So I want to make sure that the drive's going to be good. I'm going to head out for a little bit with the fam. We got to go check out some cars and stuff like that because my lease goes back and we need something. So we're looking to get something more family oriented. We haven't decided what we want yet, but hopefully we can, you know, kind of look at some things and get some ideas. And then from there, we'll, you know, obviously pick something. We got to pick something soon because, you know, my car's got to get back like ASAP. Guys, what's happening? I'm heading out here for a bit. I got to go to the bank again. Some stuff that I missed. Unfortunately, I got to go. I just need to go to the bank machine. Wifey and I, we ended up going to the dealership to go test drive some cars. Yeah, we screwed up. It closed at 6 o'clock. Can you believe that? On a Friday. We didn't know that. So right now, the plan is to go Sunday because I'm gone as of tomorrow for the night. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know. I just thought they'd be open till 9 o'clock today, but they don't. They open on Monday to Thursday till 9 o'clock. So we'll have to go Sunday because one of the cars we wanted to test drive, like they were open. I got there like 6:55, but we couldn't test drive anything. So we told them there's one car we want to test drive in particular. They said, all right, we'll get it ready for Sunday. So we got to make time for Sunday because, like I said, my Audi goes back. That's like there's no negotiation on that. So I have to get that back to them as soon as I can. So we need to figure that out and get something, get a choice going, pick something, and basically pull the trigger. So we'll see how that goes later on. First things first, I'm gonna head over to the bank and get some stuff done. All right, guys, gonna quickly run to the bank, get some stuff done here. Bank's closed, which is awesome. Just a matter of me going to the machine and out of here in like 30 seconds. Alrighty, that's done, guys. I don't know if you see behind me. You see that? You see that behind me? The big tower there? Round tower. First tower that's come up in our city. It's called the Rise. Hopefully there'll be more coming because Vancouver, the problem with our city is beautiful city, but right now inventory for housing is a real issue. Huge issue. It's unfortunate, but you know, I've said this many times before, you know, Vancouver is one of the top cities in the world for destination in terms of living. People want to immigrate here. It's a great city. It's a beautiful city, but houses here are freaking expensive. I mean, a shack, you're looking at, you know, minimum $700 to $1 million. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. You know, I was very fortunate. I bought when I bought. I mean, there's days when I think to myself, you know, I should just sell it and cash in. But then if I sell it, where am I going to go afterwards? You know what I mean? So it's not about the greed of having $1 million. I mean, you got to have a plan, right? So whatever. I mean, I'm happy where I am. You know, I love where I am. I love my neighborhood. I love my house. I have no reason to go anywhere. So plus, you know, I've got so many things and my hands are in so many different pies that I really need to focus to get that stuff done. And that's the last thing on my mind right now. I'm gonna do a quick stop at my favorite place on earth. That is right, it is Home Depot. I need to get a power bar because mine downstairs in my theater is got a grounding issue. The ground pin is busted. It keeps making this stupid grounding noise, so I gotta get that, fix that. All right, guys, got my power bar, which I really needed. So now I'm just gonna head home and chill out. It's Friday night. I'm gonna hang with the girls for a little bit because remember I'm gone tomorrow for the day. So, you know, hopefully get to chill out, maybe watch a movie tonight, and I'm gonna try not to work. Fam, it's 11 o'clock at night. I'm just chilling out now. I got a little bit of work done, just hanging out with the girls and stuff. Selena and wifey gone to sleep, just me and Reese up, just watch some TV. I'm gonna start packing the stuff for tomorrow. I don't need much, man. Half a bag. I'm going for like one day, you know what I mean? I'll be back tomorrow, probably midday, because then wifey's going on her work trip. I think she leaves tomorrow. But I'm trying to convince her to go on Monday. That way, we can spend time with her on Sunday, because then she's gone for like a week. You know what I mean? I'm looking forward to tomorrow, man. It's gonna be fun. I'll vlog as much as I can. To be honest with you, it's probably gonna be media blackout. I really don't want to do anything. I probably won't be on my phone. I'm just gonna be pretty much unreachable tomorrow. I just want to hang out with the guys, have a good time. But since I'm at Worcester, I'll show you some of the village and stuff like that. You know, maybe walk through. We'll see how it goes, man. I'll play by ear tomorrow. I mean, I will have a vlog up, but it's probably, you know, vlog saying, you know, sorry I couldn't vlog because I was so busy. I'm just warning you guys now, you know what I mean? But I'll see how it goes. I'm going to leave in the morning around probably 10, 11 o'clock, something like that. That's what I'm hoping. It'll take an hour and a half to get there. And then that's when the festivities begin, man. So I'm really looking forward to it. The weather's supposed to be good. It's going to be a fun weekend. But I want to say, if you're watching the vlog for the very first time, you know what? Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe, part of the family. If you want to see more vlogs just like this, please click on Beyond the Sky. Of course, to my peeps, be you, stay optimistic, enjoy the rest of your night. Here's a big high five from me to all of you.